Welcome back, Danneberg Acres. Today, I'm going to try to get this Simonize 2000 electric pressure washer working. I actually found this at a rental house years ago. It was likely stolen or maybe used and broken and left there. One or the other. But after the tenants were evicted, yes, it was quite a process. This was found along with a lot of other stuff. A whole house full of stuff that I had to pull out, and I saved this. It does turn on, and it does work on low pressure, like water runs through it. But when you turn the pump on, you can hear the pump working, but water won't go through at high pressure. So, I looked at a few things online and other vids, and saw that I could just take these apart, and the motor inside has a couple of different relays and whatnot. So let's get it apart and see what's going on. So first things first, it has screws here, one there, probably one hidden down here, a couple up here, and then I think that releases this, or I mean this blue part, the front, from the back. So you get the screws out of here, I think, then flip it over or stand it up and then pull this front cover off. So start there. Lots of screws, and you can't really use a power screwdriver because that slot is just about that thin. So I don't have anything power that could fit in there. Everything's larger. No, incorrect. There are some screws here on this item, on this unit, and a couple here. I'm not sure if those are the ones, but that might get this plate off, and have some screws to get this blue piece off. Oh, here's a couple of holes right there. So you just got to look around for the screw holes that would hold the plate off, and that's probably going to be the access panel on this unit. All right, take two. One is tricky, and it's got some kind of things here. I'm not sure what that is. Look at that. That's where the screw caught from up here. Held this thing in. So there'll be one of those on both sides. Yep, there's the other one. Not sure if they have to come out. This one. It's much bigger. No, that don't fit in there. Wow. Check this out. Just so happens that I had the right tool. Look at that. That's a super long extension. Phillips. And just this one here wasn't long enough. This one here. Ba-bing! Wowzer. Thanks for obscure tools. Might get the glue cap off now. Long Robertson. No, doesn't feel like it. All right, little finagling. I was able to just catch it somehow. All right. Now, of course, don't know where the screws came and went to. Yeah, looking a little worse for wear in there. What do we got here? Motor attached there. Mucho bugs. Yum. Ugh. Got graphite in there. What the fuck? There's a whole canister of graphite in there. Some such stuff. You ever seen anything like that? What the hell? All right, after having no luck figuring out what this graphite container is, charcoal or graphite, seems to stick like a magnet. Look at that. Doesn't show up on anything anywhere. And doesn't seem to be attached to anything. It doesn't come out because it's locked by a plastic piece back here, but doesn't seem any hoses or anything are going to it. So somebody can tell me, I'm sure online. Give me the goods. What is that thing? Anyways, I'm going to take this piece off here, which underneath there is going to be the seals. It seems to be in working order. I'll have to check if the switch actually makes that work. Then, reaching down here, see if this stuff is, seals are good in here. Alright, so this was a collar in there, it has two holes. That must allow the water to bypass when this is clicks up, moves that up. Don't see any damage there, don't see any cracks on here. Pump seems to sound okay. Alright, so I just cleaned that out and let's shoot some WD-40 in there, never hurts, of course. The good stuff, never hurts. Always helps. I don't know how you can stand it out here there, doggy dog, but there's a little bit of shade in the corner. Maybe we can work on this pressure washer out here in the shade. think I fixed it. Doesn't seem like a ton of pressure. The pump is working now. Could just be the wrong tip on there. Try the tip here. Tippy tip. Where's those tips? There somewhere. This is a spread tip. This looks like more of a straight pressure tip. Got a lot of leak out of that hose though. Oh yeah, look at that. It's working. And getting pressure, yay! Alright, so just cleaning that out. Cleaning that piece out there. Pump goes off and I release the trigger. Pump turns on. Getting dirt out of this wood. Looks good. Alright, let's put it back together. One smaller screwdriver. Turn it over at least. Might help. Problem lies. That's no power. That's power, nice. That is working well now. This is some metal cream, which is oh, that looks really good. It's nice to get something fixed. Every week. Alright, so that's pretty wicked. Pull this back from the tip. Straight shot. Skin out. Oh, taking the paint. Oh, it took the paint right off the ring. Oh, cow. Took the paint right off the rim. Wowzer. Okay, I'm gonna have to say Simonized 2000 back in action. Proof is in the pudding. Nice. Alright, let's roll it up. It comes out like that. Rolls up. On the other side. Hose comes off here. Okay, we'll just leave it out here. For a while, I'm going to find some more things to pressure wash. Like, look at that hasn't looked that good since I bought it. Had 20 years of oil on it. Now she's nice and shiny. Paint is off the rim. Lots of paint on the ground now. Yeah, check this out. That all came off the rim. Big chunks of paint. Very good. Just need one last thing. See, this side has a screw here that holds it together, and the other side is missing. That's why the top of the handle is a bit loose. So I need to find a long bolt, and if I could, a spring to tension it would be nice. Let's see what we can find in the garage. Alright, I got a few samples here, but this one appears to be the longest one. Nice. There you go. Put that to boot. Nice. Alright, good to go. I'm going to play with the snowmobile because that needs fixing for winter too. And who do we have there? Yes, there's little Pepper, Pepperino, pooping on our grass. And yeah, what are you doing, Pepper? Huh? Peps, Peps. What is Peps up to? Huh? What are you doing? Yes, I just picked up some of your excrements. Right. Anyways, let's go. And it doesn't see. It's a pretty hot day to get snowmobile started, but let's work on it. So yeah, just started getting this ready to pull, and my number one is roping up the back end here. So let's get to that. This side there, this side to there. drag it across the gravel, but gotta do what you gotta do. Should do it. Put it right there. Trying to go on its own. Don't go on your own. Wait for me. Oh, everybody's inside again. All right, a little cooler in the garage, that's for sure. I think I've shown this before, but I have an attachment point under here on the wall back there, and I just left this climbing rope attached to it, and that way I can pull anything I want into the garage. See if it's long enough to attach out here. Should be. Get her attached way out here to the snowmobile. Someone's thirsty. You are thirsty, eh? All right, back this way. Winch is up here on the shelf. I've said it before in another video. This is the best tool you can own. Fixing things, pulling things, recovering things, unbending things. Man, everybody needs a portable winch like that one. Somebody's a little tangled in my ropes here. What's going on here, young lady? You getting my ropes? Yeah. There we go. Get her out of there. Then I can pull the wire out like that. Yank. Tie it off. Try to limit. Try to get that straight pull as possible. Snowmobile out there, right to the rope, back to the wall. I should put one here. I gotta put one here. Maybe I should do that today. Put another one back here. It's a good idea. Mission. Come up with something to attach. Attachment point there on the wall. Alright, so what I have one long lag bolt that I could put in the bottom sill plate there. And then I have this piece here. Pop it right in, because who knows if there's anything back there. I hope not. Like a pipe or something. That'd be terrible. I don't think so, but just never know. Alright, now we tie our rope in there. There. And a straight shot out the door to snowmobile. Pretty taut already. Seems to be holding. Pay attention or that'll happen. Just caught it in time. So now, of course, I want that thing turned around and backed over there. So I think I'm going to put this rope back over there where it was on that side of the shop. Get it and pull it from behind. It'll turn it right around and it'll back it in over there. That should do it. Give me enough room in here to work. Key is to have that gas, auxiliary gas working, because that's where I think is the problem. Either the gas isn't flowing or it's bad gas or something's clogged in there. Alright, next step, disassembly. Once again, another fantastic job for the Warren winch. Not sponsored, but love it. Let's go see if any gophers have popped out of their swimming pool holes. I close this garage door. Damn hot in here. We'll go with the man door. Check out our grass while we're out here. Looks like a golf green. Geez, looking good. Not so much out there, but up front is nice. Unbelievable, this is still running into the same hole. Hasn't filled up. Unbelievable. Alright, here we are, back in the garage. Getting down and dirty with the Ski-Doo. Next up on Project Snowmobile. I know it's summertime, but getting ready way in advance. Gonna hook up this auxiliary fuel to the engine. That's where it comes in from the tank, and it will go into the pump, and if the pump is working, it'll go into the engine. And if it's not, we'll put it into one of these. Let's see what might gravity feed it right into the engine. Alright, let's get at her. Alright, now we're on the other side of the engine, and I was just getting this flashlight, and I noticed yesterday I was doing something on the Mini Cooper, and I lost a nut. I couldn't find it anywhere. Here it is, stuck to the magnet on the bottom of my flashlight. So if you lose something, try there. Later. And we're gonna undo this here. Where's that thing? What is that? Is that a... Look at that. That's a... it's not a clip at all. It's a zap strap. Zip tie. That's weird. Weird. Okay. Does not want to come off, so I'm going to cut it right there at the end of the nip, and then see if I can't shorten it a bit. All right, let's cut this right at the end of where it goes over. That. And then this will still fit on there. Man, that does not want to come off there. There you go. Huh, look at that. It was all rusted on there, just like I said. That is rust. All right. So now that we know, I can put this one back on the pump. And now it seems like it might hold. Hold fuel. Try it again. Here we go. Anything? Yeah, looks good there now. All right. Let us see if I turn it on from here. Comes the fuel. And it is staying on. Nice. It's filling up. Oh, give us a gravity feed. That goes straight up to the tube there, to the auxiliary tank. All right, let's turn it on and see first if I have a seal, because I don't want to be leaking oil everywhere, or leaking gas, everywhere. We need a good battery, a known good battery. In a running vehicle would be nice. I was going to get the truck, but I decided to try, that. Close the door for too long, or else I'll just die of carbon monoxide poisoning. But I guess we'll worry about that until it's time to start her up, right? Or after I've started it up, is what I mean. Okay, I've put that on the good ground. Positive lead, then to the lawnmower battery, of which I can start if I need to. Excuse me, dog, you are... Someone stand in front of the fan. She says, that's nice. Nice and cool. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to back this up so we can see all the controls at our fingertips. Back in it. Snowmobile key. Dun dun dun. Alright, put her in there. Choke is on. Turning. Anything? Yes, we have liftoff. Then we need to make sure that is up and those are off. Don't want to drain the battery of the lawnmower, which is over there. And yeah, here we go again. Contact. Oh, we need fuel? We got fuel. Fuel's coming in. There's fuel running. Fuel is flowing, fuel is in. Okay, click, that's good. That's choke. Fuel is flowing, now it's saying leaking. Probably flowing into the carburetors. Let's try some starting fluid. Where is the starting fluid? Pow! The kicker. Alright, squirt that into the intake. Come around this side this time. You don't need to see the key anymore. Check. Still nothing. Just like before. Just like before. Let's check spark. Sparkle tester tool. Just used this on the other, on the Gardentractor, didn't we? And we had success. Okay, check the spark. Oh, nice spark. You see that? Like plenty of spark. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I'll turn the flashlight off. Lots of spark there. Okay, try the other one. Lots of spark there. Nice. We got spark on both. Heavy on the spark. That's good to see. Alright, so we know we have spark. Fuel going in there. Fuel's right there. So it's sucking it in. That should go down, right? Yes. Oh, I hear pop. I heard pop. Pop, pop, pop. No problem. I think it was a fuel problem all along. There you go. So there's something going on from here backwards. So first thing first there. Let's check and see if there's any fuel in the tank. Something to poke in there, like a hose. Nope, nothing on that. Go further in. Feels empty in there. Oh, no, now I feel something. Oh yeah, it's all wet now. So there's some fuel in there. Smells like fuel. Try the other side. Oh yeah, no, it's wet. It's, oh, look at all the fuel coming out. Spilling everywhere. Spilly, spilly. Alright, so that's positive test there. We have positive vibes here, so perhaps there's no fuel just getting from the tank to here. Okay, so I have brought in the fuel extractor 1000. Could be the fuel extractor 10,000, I'm not sure. The liquid extractor, really. And instead of hooking it up to the compressor, I have manually pumped it, and that should be sucking fuel from the tank because I've hooked it up thusly. And of course, hard to see this tubage, but let's see. Can you see any? Oh, I see fuel there. It would appear fuel is coming out. It's very wet. Reconnect everything and see if it runs off the tank. Alright, we are hooked back up to the onboard fuel tank. And we're started back up. Of course now it won't run. Oh my lord, eh? Can't run it very long in here because it's going to smoke us up. Smoking us out, Donald. It's smoking us out. I better go put the fan over on the other side so that we can get rid of exhaust on this. close one. There's some sandals on. Couple little upkeep chores before I pull this snowmobile out for a run up. warm summer day in Saskatchewan.